So hello students. Okay, how are you? Yes, I'm called Habiyambere Jean right now, a teacher in the group scolaire Saint Irene Bugumira, especially in the home sector. Dear student, so we are going to study biology and health sciences in this time of coronavirus. Okay, dear student, you will provide a notebook of biology, exercises notebook, handout or a pen, and will write explanation. Okay, so I think that we really we are able to learn about unit 1. Okay, so can remind me the title of unit 1. Thank you. Yes, unit 1 is interdependence among organisms in ecosystem. Thank you. Very good. Now, in this unity, we learn about the meaning of interspecific and interspecific interaction. Dear student, please be careful to write the summary of what you hear, okay? And then intervene for asking questions where are not very well understandable. Okay, thank you. So let us go. Dear student, remember that we really to know or to understand what is interspecific relationship. Okay, so when we say interspecific, means interaction between organisms of the same species. Is it clear? Thank you. So when you understand interspecific relationship, you understand interaction between organisms of different species. Okay, thank you. So dear student, let us give you a group work. Okay, in the group of 5, so we are going to discuss about the meaning of interspecific relationship and their full explanation, and then write the short note on interspecific relationship. Okay, thank you. and you will provide a notebook and handout, please, in order to summarize what you see. Okay. Dear friends, have you notebook? Yes. Have you pen? Yes. Then you answer the question. Let us go. So you have 5 minutes for doing those questions. You have to write the summary note about interspecific relationship by using your document or your handout you have. So I provide notebook. You color out this work in a full person. It means that you have 5 groups. Okay. Thank you. Go on. Okay. I think so. You have just finished to work your activity right now. Let us take over to represent what you found. Okay. Thank you. So I have to take group number 1. You present what you found. After we take group number 2 and then up to 4 groups, and then we make a summary whatever we see. Okay. Now, so I think so we are able to present other students. You are able to hear what others said. Okay. So you have to write the short note on interspecific relationship, so interaction. Okay. Now let us back for the group number 1. Come here to present what you have. So you're welcome. Thank you. Very good. The group number 2 present. So that is a good. So but you have to answer, you have to ask questions, what we see and what you want to clarify right now. So I help you write. Okay. So let us thank you, my friend. Let us go back for this part. So dear friend, you know that you have a part which called interdependence. What does it mean? So when we say interdependence, is an organism that depend on each other for food, shelter, even mate. That is what we call interdependence. So when you say interspecific interaction, it is one in which organisms belonging to the same species depend on each other. That is good. And when you say interspecific interaction, it is the type of dependence in which dependence between organisms of different species species. So when you use biological software document, machine make so have to see interspecific relationship or interspecific interaction. You have to see what is interdependence, and we say that interdependence organisms between on each other for food shelter. So when we say food, when we say whatever we take every day, when we say shelter, it is where we live, okay? Where we live, the house where we live as a person, an animal where it live, it is a shelter, okay? So even mate, it is like how to reproduce together. It may be direct or indirect interdependence relationship between organisms in ecosystem. So those relationships have mutual benefit while other are harmed. So you know this. So there are two types of dependence. Interspecific interaction. This is one in which organisms belong to the same species depend one to another. Okay. So as you know, so I think interaction it is two things which interact. But we wanted to know which one could be interact. Those are species. So that is when you say interspecific interaction. This is a type of it is a type of dependence in which organisms of different species interact. Okay, so that is very very easy to know it. So and you have to see interspecific is the end of listening. That is a summary what you could write on a short note on interspecific interaction. So if you have question, you could ask, and me also I'm able to answer you. Okay. Thank you for a good attention. Now you have time to ask a question for yourself and in order to clarify what you wanted to know. Dear class, do you hear me? Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Thank you. So are you together? Are you together? Very good. So if you have a question, you could ask. So thank you, James. So I think your question is very interested right now. So James said that what are some animals that could be found as interspecific interaction? Thank you very much. So let us answer you. When we say interspecific interaction, that is interaction between organisms, okay, of same species, okay. Let us give example species. Do you know a cow? Okay, in the cow we have the variety of cow together. So the cow, buffalo, cow should be interacted with cow. A person should be interacted with a person. So that is a person is called the interspecific interaction. Rabbit and rabbit, same as, okay. Goat, cow. So sheep. Those are what animals could be interact. Other question? Okay, thank you, Janet. Janet say so. The about interspecific interaction does not catch very well the meaning. So let us repeat again. Interspecific interaction. It is interaction between organisms of same species. Okay. Why you say same species? Because you are a person, you can interact with another person. You have the same category. Okay, thank you. So let us give you exercises. Okay, I see that. Define the following terms: interdependence. B. Interspecific interaction. C. Interspecific interaction. Number 2. Write the short note on interspecific interaction. Yes? May I repeat? Exercise number 1. A. Define interdependence. Okay? Interdependence. B. Interspecific interaction. C. Interspecific interaction. Question number 2. Write the short note on interspecific interaction. So I think finished at the end of my lesson. And dear student, I encourage you to know and to hear, to analyze, to make a research, other whatever we say about interspecific, but don't forget that when a person should be interact with another. So in our society, I could need you, okay? In your home, you could need your father, you could need your mother in order to interact, okay? You could make interaction, you could make a complementarity between father and mother when you interacted together. So remember that a person and a person should be interact themselves, okay? Thank you for a good attention. Make sure that we return. Next lesson is about types of interspecific relationship. Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye. Bye bye.